Imagine you have a piece of paper with some words written on it, and you want to move or copy those words to another place on the same paper, or maybe even to a different piece of paper. Using the computer is kind of like that, but instead of physically cutting, copying, or pasting paper, you can do it with text or images using a few keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl C, copy. Think of Ctrl C as copying the words from your piece of paper without removing them. When you press Ctrl C, it's like using your magic pen to make an invisible copy of those words and keep them safe in an imaginary clipboard. The words stay where they are on your paper, but now you can paste them somewhere else. Imagine if you could copy the same words many times without running out of space. Ctrl X, cut. Now, think of Ctrl X as cutting the words from your piece of paper. When you press Ctrl X, it's like using a pair of scissors to cut the words out of the paper. The words disappear from where they originally were, but they're still stored in that magical clipboard. You can then move them to a new spot, pasting them down later. So, you're not losing the words, you're just moving them to a new place. It's perfect for when you want to move something to a different location without leaving the original there. Ctrl V, paste. Finally, Ctrl V is like gluing or taping those copied or cut words back onto your paper or a new piece of paper. When you press Ctrl V, whatever you copied or cut appears wherever your mouse or cursor is pointing. You can paste it as many times as you want if you use Ctrl C, copy, but if you use Ctrl X, cut, the text or image will only stay where you paste it once. Example. Let's say you wrote hello on your document. If you use Ctrl C and then press Ctrl V somewhere else, you'll see hello in your document because it was copied.